Snapchat new update, that is voice scan update. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use voice scan features on Snapchat. So this is the latest updated features of Snapchat that you can use, that is voice scan. So basically here I'm going to show you how you can use that, and here you what is the thing, what is this actually means. I'm going to show you the full tutorial in this video. So guys, watch the video till the end, and also if you want to support with this channel, please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, let me just go to Play Store, and then here you just need to search for Snapchat. Okay, so after searching for Snapchat, make sure to update your app. So after updating your app, let me just get inside the Snapchat and open this Snapchat. Now here this type of interface will pop up. So you just need to click on this sticker or filter option here. So after clicking to this filter option here, you have to just swipe up like this. You can see here, swipe up like this. So after swiping up here on the top right corner, here you will find an option that is voiceover option. So simply click on this voiceover option. So if you want to search, if you want to search for any of the filter, then you just need to say it. So let me just show you what you have to do. I will search for dog filter. So let me just click on the scan voice scan option here, and let me just search for dog filter. Okay, so let me just. So guys, you can see here I have got lots of dogs filter. um, I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you, and I hope you will be able to use these features in a very easy way. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, see you soon on the next video.